So we're in the lobby of the tramway to go up to the ice field at Jasper, and we're looking forward to this one. At least I have been. I hope these, well, they tell you it's worth it, right? Somebody told you it's worth going?
Somebody at the hot pools.
Ah, yes. We went to the hot springs, and now I'm really glad too that we got the van fixed and everything, and we're able to continue our journey. I was worried that we'd have to leave all our stuff here. Oh, look.
There's the tram.
There's the tram. Full of people. Cable car. Cool. Way cool. Oh, they get out on the other side, then they let us in. Oh, that makes sense. Good idea. Oh, yeah.
What I'm not afraid of heights.
Yeah.
That makes you one of us.
Afraid of heights?
Not really.
So it's going to be about a 7.5 minute ride up, and the difference from bottom to top is going to be 1,005 meters.
Wow.
And we're currently heading up Whistler's Mountain. It's named after the sound that the hoary marmot makes, and the hoary marmot is a rodent about the size of a small dog, and they live all throughout this mountain in large packs. They make whistling sounds, so that's why they decided to call it Whistler's Mountain.
Okay.
Ah. But don't feed them, right?
Actually, you can, but I'm not supposed to. They're really friendly.
Oh.
Really?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Because they've been fed.
Pretty much, yeah.
Oh, we might be taking new pets home.
No.
No?
2 rabbits is enough.
It's an excellent view. I like this.
And the tower up ahead, you might have thought was the top, but it's not even the halfway point.
Oh,
We
great.
have a lot longer to go still.
Because we saw that tower from the road way down
Yeah. And as you pass over this tower, it's a bit of a sway and a bump, so time for the ride.
there. Okay.
Where's the mountain that they ski on here?
Where we're based in, it's about 15 minutes around the corner in the same mountain range, just that way a little bit.
Okay. So this gondola is just for sightseeing?
Yeah, we only open the end of April and we close mid-October.
Okay.
See everything.
All the little lakes.
Yeah. The mountains in the distance.
See the van.
Can you? He's shaking a little bit. This one's for Bernie.
Why Bernie?
Why Bernie? Because he's showing us all these videos of Switzerland.
Oh,
Where
okay.
are you from?
Ontario.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, where are you from?
Arizona.
Yeah,
I'm
she's.
going there in October.
Yeah. Good time to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are you going to go?
I want to go like the Grand Canyon.
Whee!
Then
There
we
goes
go to
another
Vegas,
one.
then California.
Can I do it all in one trip by the sounds of it?
Yeah, hopefully, if I save enough money.
Oh yeah, it's all one.
Well,
Fire one, control, fire one.
You don't like that? You like that?
And you gotta go see Mount Rushmore.
Yeah. That's on the list as well.
Yeah.
Go ahead, control.
What else, Andy?
what's that?
What else did we see in that trip?
On that trip, Yellowstone.
Oh yeah, Utah? Is that Utah?
No, Yellowstone. Wyoming, yeah, that's right.
Where are you guys from?
Well,
From BC.
yeah, we came up from Victoria, and we left there on Sunday, and we've been camping all the way up. And I wanted to come here for the last 16 or 17 years, and
You haven't been yet?
this is the first time, my first time ever here.
It's so close though.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Ontario and I've been before I moved here.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
The thing is, I lived in Montreal until 21 years ago. Then I moved to Victoria, and every summer, when I'd want to come up here, there was always some family thing going on, or just some other vacation. I managed to do the Yukon and Alaska and all of that, and then now we're finally doing this one.
Good. Jasper is a really nice town.
Yeah, this is a short one. This is a short one.
Where in BC are you from?
We live in Victoria.
Oh.
So,
Best place.
Okay.
Look at all those lakes there.
Yeah. That's quite a view down there, and then all those mountains along there. You're lucky to have this.
48074.
To have a job where you can see this every day.
Yeah, can't complain about the view, that's for sure.
Not at all.
And you probably don't get very many cranky tourists either, do you?
There's some.
Is there?
Yeah.
Really?
Somebody freak out on the ride up?
Yeah, I've had a few.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you make 'em do?
More lately.
Just sit down.
There's not enough. Usually it's crowded in here, like 30 people.
Yeah.
So,
This is just awesome.
26 on the way up, 30 on the way down.
Really?
Yeah.
So we're lucky.
Yeah. Well, like a good time of the day.
Yeah, that's what I like.
And you were saying that tower is only halfway up? Or the tower down there?
The tower wasn't even halfway.
No.
Just after the tower, when both cars passed each other.
That was halfway, okay. Okay, I managed to get that event too. This is looking
This is
good.
the end then, don't worry.
Imagine building this thing. How old is this?
You really want to know?
Not really.
It'll be 50 years next year.
Yeah, that looks about right.
Never broken though, so.
Well, I'll be 50 years next year too, so we're even.
So my dad.
Me and the gondola will both be 50 years old next year.
Oh, we know where the emergency stop pole is anyways, if we need it.
Okay.
The gondola effect. Lake Tahoe. Just pretty cool. Come off the top.
It is, isn't it?
This is great.
That's a good one too.
Yeah, that's a great one. I can't remember, but it's a lot bigger than this though, isn't it? I'm trying to remember.
I think it
Yeah,
is a
people with
little
all their
bit.
equipment and everything.
Yeah, they
It's
are.
been a few years.
Okay.
Alright, we'll get close to this side over here.
This is really good so far.
And the last flight down's at 7 p.m., so just make sure you're in the lobby.
So we got an hour.
Just make sure the lobby about 5 minutes before 7. Right. It's a long flight down.
Do you have a slide? There's no slide?
Rocks.
Rock
Yeah,
slide.
enjoy the view.
Okay, thanks for the ride.
I try.
Oh, we're gonna get some wind noise now. This is good. Very good. There's the video. We haven't seen snow in a couple of years, have we?
I wouldn't mind seeing a marmot.
Well, you might now. They were talking about the whistling marmots, and they're really friendly, so they should be all over here. Let's have a look here. great.
Fetwick.
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 Fetwick. Fetwick.